Hey everybody, welcome to the next episode of our Shopify build series. We're using the Wolf of Shopify theme to build this epic Shopify store that you guys are seeing here today. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually add a banner to our store. Now, if you guys remember in one of the first episodes, maybe even the second episode, where we had a banner, but the problem is the photo is not ideal, right? It's just a photo. I mean, it doesn't do any marketing for us, doesn't do any promotion. It's not even related to the products that we're selling. So in this case, what we could do is we could take the banner, we could find a different image and make it look essentially better. And just to show you guys how it looks, sometimes you do want to preview your work in the previewer. So I'll just go over here to view and view it as an actual domain. And you could see here that the image, like I said, there's no marketing capability. There's nothing really of a benefit to it. And for me, I'm the type of person that if there's no benefit of the image, it shouldn't even be there. So first thing is I'm looking for an image that's more horizontal than it is vertical for a banner. Okay, I don't want it to be stretching too long. Now, some people like what's called a hero banner. This case, this is not a hero banner because you could see here it ends in this area. Now, if we were to go with a full-size banner and we were enable full width, right, where the image would stretch all the way from the left to the right, you could see here that that will change how this looks. So let's wait for this to save, and let's go ahead and refresh this page, and it will change how the page looks. Now you can see here, part of the image is cut off. We have to scroll down, and the image holds a lot of weight. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to change the image here, and we're going to go with something that's a little more, I guess you could say, fitting. Okay, so we're going to go over here to banner, and we're going to click on the grid builder, and we're going to click on the actual banner, which is the portion of the grid that we want to edit. And we're going to click on the image to edit it, and we're going to select a different image. This is actually an image that I sourced here, so I'm going to hit select, and I'm going to hit save. And you can see here, it's saved. The banner is much more horizontal than it is vertical. And once again, this is very important when it comes down to your business, your store. For having the right photographers, knowing what they're doing is very important. So this is the image now, and you can see here, it extends full width. Everything is above the fold, and on top of that, it doesn't extend too far down, and it shows products through the modeling, right? So it's a good image that we could use. When the mouse is on the image and hovered over, it zooms in, has this zoom in effect, which looks pretty good. And now what we could do is we can edit this link on this button for Shop Now so it can reach all products. So what we could do here is we can click on this little X, and we're going to select what kind of, link we want to attach it to. So I'm going to click on products here. I'm going to select all products. So it's going to take you to a page once you click Shop Now to a product with, everything, right? Everything that you're selling on the store. And we could actually test this in real time. We just refresh this and click on the Shop Now, and it should take us, to all the products. So essentially what we did here in this circumstance is we added a new banner that not only gave a refreshing piece to the store. You can see here we got a lot going on in the store, but we made some edits. Now let's go ahead and edit these banners here, these sectional banners for our Shopify store. Now, we could leave them just the way they are, but we could also add other images. And I sourced some other images here that you could see here. I took screenshots of them, and I actually have to edit them out. So we'll just crop them right now, right? And like I said, these were images that I found online that might fit well for the circumstance of what we're doing. And granted, we could always go back and cancel them. And it doesn't matter if you're on Windows or you're on Mac, you can always take screenshots of different images that you think would work for you. But once again, you want to use images that you are allowed to use for your business, right? You don't want to just use somebody else's images. That's going to be a problem. But you could see here, with everything that we're doing and the way things are looking, they're going to look pretty good for what we're doing. So let me click on the image to alter, right? And I'm going to go to my screenshots here, scroll all the way down, and add this one and add this one, which are the first two. And you can see here they do look pretty good. Now what we need to do is I actually have to go back here and edit one of them just a little bit because I don't want that border on it, right? So because there is like a little bit of a border, and you guys will see it. But I'll increase the size of this just like that, kind of like that, and increase this, and increase this just slightly, right? And save that. Hopefully it doesn't cut off too much. And we'll just take it, drag it, and drop it. This is the better version, because once again, I don't want that border. I want them to all, yep, there we go, be much better. So I'm going to select this one. For the second one, I'll select this one, let's say. And it's all about just making it come together and look really good. Let's save that. And for the very last image, let's go ahead and crop this, right? And let's crop this just like this here. Drag this bar here. And this is cool that Windows has this built-in tool where you can crop an image. But once again, you could do this on Mac as well. But photography, very, very important for your business, because you want to make sure you're presenting the products correctly. And if you guys are looking through the series and you want to see more episodes, we're going to have a whole playlist down below. Just click on the playlist link. You'll be able to access literally every single episode. You'll see everything up to what we have built so far. And I figured I'd make this an episode by itself, because look how things changed when we built this, right? It gave it a new, fresher breath of fresh air. So you can see here, so we changed some things. And once again, we're using the Wolf of Shopify theme. For those who are interested, we're using the classic. We're not using the alpha. The alpha is the more expensive one. It's a phenomenal theme, but for this tutorial, we are using this one, the classic 3.0. And it's $125. Use code APEX to get 10% off of your purchase. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure to watch the rest of the series. I'll leave the links in the playlist, and we're not done yet, so we got a few more episodes to go. All right, peace out, bye.